Alright, so hi guys, in this video right now I'm going to show you on how to download PUBG Mobile onto your iOS device. Now this is not as straightforward as a typical Android device, but it is really possible to download and install PUBG Mobile onto your iOS. So first things first, you need to go to settings and make sure that you created an Apple ID. There are plenty of tutorials on how to create an Apple ID, but if you have an existing one, this is really simple. Click onto your Apple ID, click on your view Apple ID. This is my Philippine account, by the way. I've just changed it to China. So next one is click on country and region. Then after that, click on change country or region. Then make sure that you select China. There you go. It's already been selected. Sorry about that. Back. I'm just going to change it to China. There you go. Then make sure that you click on agree to the terms and conditions. Then make sure the payment method hit on none. Then fill in the billing address. I'm going to put in under the video description for the fake billing address in China. So after that, hit on next. It will verify. Then there you go. Your account has been changed to the Chinese App Store onto China. Now next one is go to the App Store. So it is really easy to change countries if you have an existing iTunes account. So search for PUBG on the App Store. There you go. Then make sure that you get this one, this very first one. As you may see, there are two versions of it, but we're going to need this first one. Click on get, then it will install onto your device. Now click on install, and it's done. Then wait until this downloads. Click on that now for that, and there you go. PUBG Mobile is now downloading onto my iOS device. It's 843 megabytes though. But yeah, so yeah, I'm unable to install it because my storage is now full, but you can download PUBG Mobile onto your iOS device. So yeah, alright, so that's about it guys. Hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'm going to release another video soon on how to PUBG running onto this device. I'm just going to clear my storage up since it is already full. So yeah, it is really easy if you have an existing Apple ID account. Just change the country, then after you download this, change back to the origin of the country, to the original country that you've created on iTunes. Then there you go, you already have PUBG Mobile onto your iOS device. So that's about it guys. Hope you like the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. So yeah, thank you and bye bye.